Tesla and Elon Musk just leaked amazing Tesla car. Let's find more. Giga Texas plant staff and other personnel recorded the audio, which was later made accessible on the company's website. Tesla employees and other personnel recorded the audio at the facility. According to Electrek, a number of Tesla employees and other personnel at the company's Giga Texas facility uploaded film to the social media app Snapchat in order to share it with their own audiences. By utilizing the film, Electrek was able to construct a 4-minute YouTube video depicting the ramp-up at the factory in Austin, which can be viewed by visiting a link. Video from the production lines is featured in the YouTube video, which was previously restricted to the public due to the nature of the content. Our past reporting on Tesla's earlier manufacture of many Model Y electric crossovers at the location provided us with a first-hand knowledge of the company managing the manufacturing lines. Tesla will begin selling Model Y sedans in the coming months, which will be constructed at the company's Texas manufacturing facility. According to Tesla, the new structural battery pack, which contains 4680 individual cells, will be installed in those vehicles. It was recently announced by the firm that deliveries of the Model Y will begin before the end of the first fiscal quarter of 2022. Untold numbers of photographs and videos have been posted from the area surrounding Giga Austin, with some of them providing a close-up view of the event via gigantic windows. While just a few videos and photographs have been made within the factory, they are by far and away the most popular source of information on the facility and its employees. Aside from that, several of the photographs provided by Tesla and others from inside the facility were taken during the factory's construction phase rather than during the facility's final stages of completion. A significant deal of detail is included in the films that comprise this documentary about the production lines, as well as the robots that were used. A number of Model Y crossovers have also been manufactured, as well as a snapshot of Tesla parts may also be found on the website. The film is barely 4 minutes long, but there is a lot to take in, especially because much of the footage is fast and choppy. To understand what you're seeing, you'll need to pay close attention throughout the film, and you may even have to pause it at several points to process what you're seeing. At times, it can be similar to the work of a private investigator. Cyber Rodeo, an event commemorating the grand opening of the company's manufacturing facility in Austin, Texas, a momentous occasion for Tesla and its entry into the United States, will take place on March 31st. Tesla, the electric vehicle company founded by Elon Musk, has been sending out invitations to the event. Tesla had just celebrated the formal opening of its second plant, the Gigafactory in Texas, just a few days before the event. The Tesla Gigafactory in Berlin served as the company's first European manufacturing facility, and it was from there that the company's first European-made Tesla automobile was delivered. As of right now, Tesla is constructing 2 massive battery and electric vehicle manufacturing facilities at the same time in order to create electric autos and batteries on a large scale. The Gigafactory Texas will begin production at the same time as the Gigafactory Berlin in order to prevent regulatory conflicts with the Gigafactory Berlin. To celebrate the start of manufacturing, Tesla is hosting a party in the style that has become standard for the company. Musk, the CEO of Tesla, announced the event's title, which will be Cyber Rodeo. The event will take place on April 7th and will be attended by a large number of people. In this case, cyber could simply refer to the aesthetics of the party, which Musk has already stated he finds attractive. The Cybertruck, in its most recent iteration, may make an appearance in this episode, according to a rumor that has already spread. It has been reported that Tesla will release a new version of its electric pickup truck in 2019, which will be named as the Tesla Model 3 when it is released. This comes after the company's website was updated early this year to remove information on Cybertruck at its cost. However, the new Model Y produced at Gigafactory Texas is likely to garner the most attention, as it differs from the new Model Y produced at Giga Berlin in that it incorporates Tesla's new structural battery pack design and a 4680 battery cell. Rather than the previous Model Y produced at Gigafactory Berlin, the new Model Y produced at Gigafactory Texas is expected to be the most expensive Model Y ever produced. Additionally, the new Model Y manufactured in Gigafactory Texas is expected to be the center of attention due to the fact that it is different from the new Model Y created at Gigafactory California. The AWD Model Y, a new mid-range AWD vehicle that was just posted on the Environmental Protection Agency's website, is expected to have a variety of features. Tesla aims to provide an update on battery cell output at the company's new facility in conjunction with the commencement of Model Y sales. This information will be essential in enabling the company's manufacturing operations to ramp up to full production capacity. It's well known that Tesla is one of the market's finest secular growth stories, and according to CFRA analyst Garrett Nelson, the company is also one of the market's top secular growth narratives as well. According to Nelson, who spoke on Yahoo Finance Live, that is crucial at a time when inflationary pressures are having a significant influence in the economy. However, despite the fact that Tesla's growth is not immune to inflation, the company's success can be attributed to a number of company-specific factors, such as the increase in demand for electric vehicles and the establishment of 2 new factories, one of which was recently dictated with a ribbon-cutting ceremony. Afterwards, there's Texas, where they'll be holding a large opening in 2 weeks, as well as California, where they'll be hosting a significant opening in 2 weeks. Nelson contends that the following are true. With the opening of these 2 new facilities, their yearly vehicle manufacturing capacity will be significantly expanded, launching them into an exciting new phase of growth and development. The result of this is that earnings growth is expected to continue to accelerate in the coming years. He went on to say the following: business success will come increasingly dependent on the ability to scale up with the addition of these larger factories in the coming years. The process will take a large amount of time to complete from start to finish. Over the course of several months, a tiny operation grows into a large-scale business company. He went on to say the following: according to Nelson, boosting production is a company goal for Tesla, and the company will go to whatever extent to achieve this goal if doing so will result in higher profits for shareholders. By 2030, they hope to have increased their annual auto sales from around 500,000 automobiles sold in 2020 to 20 million automobiles sold by 2030, which is a huge increase from the approximately 500,000 automobiles sold in 2020. As a result, in order to stay up with the times, a growth rate increase of 40 times the existing pace is necessary. As a result, they will need to dramatically accelerate their growth in order to keep up with the demand, which will need the addition of new manufacturing facilities. Because of the inclusion of the Texas and German operations, it is predicted that they would more than double their existing number of operational facilities, which currently stands at 2 to 4 sites. Additionally, we believe they are considering the possibility of expanding their activities to other nations, particularly in China. According to him, the following is how he stated it. In the words of Nelson, the development of Tesla's worldwide manufacturing base would greatly hasten the business's entry into new markets while also enabling the company to achieve economies of scale, which should assist in cost reduction. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. To see more, like and subscribe to our YouTube channel.